Let's make a quick recipe with Ceylon chili paste. I have 2 eggs, some finely chopped onions, then a little bit of tomato and a little bit of garlic. So the oil here is sunflower oil. So there's some excess oil, so I'm gonna use the excess oil first. So I don't want to add some more oil, separate oil, so we can use the same oil if you have excess oil. I added 2 tablespoons of the oil and then put the garlic and then the onions. So I have added the onions. I'll also add a little bit of big chili. These are not very spicy, just to add some flavor. And then goes the tomato. Okay. Stir it well. Add a little bit of salt. So I'm just adding a little bit of salt here. Reduce the flame. Break the 2 eggs and just put 1 tablespoon of chili paste. That's it. Then keep mixing and stirring. Make sure the heat is low, otherwise it will overcook. So just stir it. Make sure it gets mixed well. Okay. I'm also gonna add a little bit of pepper. Just a few pinches. And that's it. It's a quick and easy recipe. You can try it at home. Yeah, do let us know how it tastes. Thank you.